Hello, today I'll be showing how to change a background from any image. You go over to your Chrome browser and search for remove.bg. You click on it. You click on this upload image. You now go over to where you can select the picture you want to remove the background and now put in another background. Let's use this apple picture. You click on this apple picture, the background will be removed automatically. Now to add another background, you now click on this plus sign that has background under it. You click on the plus sign. You can choose any background from this remove.bg features, but if you want to choose from your gallery, you can now tap on the plus sign. So I want to choose from my gallery, so I will tap on the plus sign. It will take me to my gallery. I will select the background which I want to change it to. I will choose this. It will automatically be installed immediately. Now I can now click on this download button to download it. I click on download and now select free. You now click on open to see the picture you have changed the background. This is the picture we have changed the background. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Thanks and remain blessed.